Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're all having a lovely day today. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my first ever GLOSSYBOX box right here. This is the November box and I cannot wait to see what's inside. So if you guys want to see with me what I got, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so in case you didn't know, GLOSSYBOX is a monthly beauty subscription service. This box costs $21 a month and you get 5 beauty products. And GLOSSYBOX actually sent this to me for free for a review, so thank you so much to GLOSSYBOX for sending this my way. I really do appreciate it. And they also provided me with a code for you guys, so if you use the code Norisbel, you get your first box for $16. And you can also just use the link that will be down in the description below. But again, thank you to GLOSSYBOX for sending this my way. I am so grateful. And now let's go ahead and open it up. So it comes packaged in this box here. The other side has my my address, so I don't want to show that, but I think it's a really cute box. And then on the inside of that, it comes in this adorable pink box, which I will definitely be getting some use out of. Really pretty and sleek box. And it just feels like a nice sturdy box, not like a box to throw away, because you have your your lid. And it's really fancy, in my opinion. Really cute top right here, like the flower design. And in here, it looks like you get this cute little magazine. It says GLOSSYBOX November 2021. And I think this little magazine explains everything that I'm getting in here. Gives me a little information about each product, the retail value, and what it does, and some tips, which I think is really, really cool. And let's get started. I also love the way they packaged it in here. I think it's so adorable. It's so nicely packaged. You have the wrapping paper, this little bow. It's such a nice touch, and I appreciate things like that. I love packaging, and I love when brands take their time with products. So this really, I don't know, just made it really special to me. But now I'm going to have to break the paper, but it's really, really pretty. Okay, so it's already looking very interesting. Let's see. My eyes are bare because I did look at the magazine really quickly and noticed that there's something for my eyes. And I wanted to try it out for you guys. So the first product in here is actually a mini eyeshadow palette, which I'm obsessed with. If you watch my channel, you know I love eyeshadow. And it's this adorable little palette by the brand Chella Beauty, which I also really love. So this is the Manifest Bronze eyeshadow palette. This retails for $20. I have actually tried a few of Chella Beauty's products through Ipsy, and I love their formula. Their eyeshadow formula is lovely. I think I've reviewed a few of their palettes. I'll link them over here somewhere if you guys want to watch them. I have one of their full-size palettes that's just beautiful and just works beautifully as well. So this looks like it's a pretty neutral color story. You have some browns and that just beautiful like highlighting shade right here. So I want to go ahead and use that, but I'll unbox everything first. So again, retails for $20, and it's adorable and just perfect for traveling and keeping in your like makeup bag. So we'll try that out in a minute. So I really love that. I love small little palettes. Oh my god, that's one of my favorite things ever. The next product in here looks like it's a Satin Soft. I think the brand is Satin Soft Blurring Primer and Finishing Mix Ultra Prime. Really pretty packaging actually. And it says here, this primer is designed to fix foundation and finish your complexion for complete matte perfection. It's silicone-free, pore minimizing, and anti-blemish qualities. Absorb oil so you'll have a beautiful, smooth finish without any breakouts. And it retails for $52. Wow. That sounds like an awesome product. So I love how they also have like a little tip here for each product. So it says top tip, after cleansing, apply evenly over face before applying makeup. Oh, good to know. So I guess this is a primer that you apply. I think I want to try it on my hand. You apply before your makeup. Like it looks like a very like pale pink. It's very thin. It feels almost like watery, but it blended into my skin, like it melted into my skin. But it's a very thin formula. So that might be great for people with oily skin. I have dry skin, but with a regular consistent like skincare routine, I'm able to use products like this if my skin is already moisturized and not like super dry. But if you have dry skin, this sounds amazing because it's not super thick, and I feel like I get some tackiness. So that might be perfect for, again, like to prime before foundation, which is what they claim that this product is for. So I like that. I'm excited to give that a try next time I do my makeup. So the next product in here is actually a really big product, and this is by the brand Vitabrid C12. And it's a Daily C Balancing Cleansing Balm. It says it's a Melt Away Sorbet. A powerful proprietary blend of Vitabrid CG thoroughly melts away makeup and impurities without stripping away the skin's moisture. Okay, so this sounds like this is a cleansing balm, which I actually have gotten into recently. I used to not be into stuff like this, and I got something similar to this in one of my subscription boxes months ago, and I'm obsessed, and I'm almost like out of it. It's by the brand Rodile, and I really love it. I think it helps me out when I have days that I have a lot of makeup on, especially like eye makeup, which I do a lot of. I love eyeshadow. Using a cleansing balm first really helps to melt my makeup, and then I can just use like warm water and a cloth instead of using like 100 wipes. That really does help me out, and I recommend that. So let's see what this actually looks like. Really big size. So it has like a little spoon to scoop out the product in here, and I want to really just look at the product and see. Okay, so it does feel like almost like a Vaseline, like it's very stuck. So I guess you would, yeah, like rub this around your makeup before going in with like a warm cloth, which is what I do. I like to use a warm cloth with warm water. That's why I love that step instead of wipes, because wipes are so cold. So I'll go in with the cleansing balm first, all over my makeup, all over my face, like kind of rub it in. And then I wet a cloth with warm water, and it helps to melt away my makeup, and it also feels amazing on my skin. Now that the weather is getting really cold where I live, I just cannot be using like cold wipes at night, because otherwise there'll be some days that I won't take off my makeup because it's too cold. But this actually does have a really like really nice scent. Like it's not overly scented, something very light. And I'm gonna definitely use this probably tonight, because again, I use this every time I do my makeup, and at nighttime I take it off. I use a cleansing balm, and I'm almost out of my favorite one. So this is a perfect product for me to receive, and I can't wait to try it out. So that was the third product. Yeah, the next product here is a little perfume. I think this is from Commodity Paper. It says Scent Space Personal for me and the few I allow close. Wow. It's a lightweight and effortless paper, opens with ISO E Super, a unique and woody molecular note. Then as a minute passed and the scent comes to life, you'll begin to notice ethereal skin musk followed by a softly sweet trail of amber. So this is a deluxe mini that is worth $10. The full-size version of this product is worth $105. That's amazing. I actually have loved getting like little perfumes in my boxes. I've gotten some through Ipsy that I keep in my purse, and I actually use those more than I do like full-size perfumes, because I always forget to like spritz myself, and then when I'm out in the car, I'll go ahead and use a little bit, and I love it. I love it. Let me see. Okay, let me like let it like melt into my skin. Wow, that smells amazing. I can definitely see how they say that it has like a musky scent after a minute. I don't know how to describe it except that it's lovely, and it smells almost like it's not like a very feminine perfume, almost like it's unisex. Oh, I love that, and I know it's gonna last all day. I'm very happy with that. That's going in my purse for sure. It smells really lovely. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, we have one last product, which I know already is nice because I can see the packaging. I haven't even read what it is, but the packaging, whoa. Take a look at this packaging. How beautiful and colorful is that? So this is the We Cherie pH Changing Hydrating Lip Oil. Sounds like something that I love and need at the moment. So this here says, say bonjour to your new lip obsession. This non-sticky, moisture-rich lip treatment has a pH color-changing formula that works with your unique pH level to give you a custom shade perfectly suited to your skin tone. It'll also keep your lips unbelievably soft and nourished, and it retails for $12. Packaging is just gorgeous, and I love lip oils. I actually do. I have extremely dry skin and dry lips as well, and just lip oils are so lovely on your lips. And this is such a pretty color. Looks like it's like a purpley blue color. Very, very pretty. And I want to smell. So this is actually from the brand The Beauty Crop. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells almost like a 90s or 2000s, early 2000s like roller gloss. Yeah, like almost like bubblegum or something. Is this bubblegum smell? So it says here is cherry, obviously, duh. It's just, I know a lot of the scents from like the early 2000 like roller glosses were like cherry or strawberry, and it just really transported me to that era. So I like that. I cannot wait to try that out. overall, I love everything. Let's get into the eyeshadow. I'm going to do something very quickly because I want this video to be mostly about the unboxing, but I also really just wanted to try out that little palette. So I'm going to prime my lids. I use the NYX eyeshadow base in the shade white, and I'm just going to use my finger to apply a tiny little bit to all over my lids, getting near the brow bone. It's not going to be like a super intense eye look, so I'm only going to do like a very small amount just to make sure that I have a nice space for the shadow to go on, and this also helps for the shadow to last throughout the day. And I love this one because I tend to have dry lids, and this is very moisturizing, but it dries down matte, but it doesn't make your eyelids dry, which is what I need. So I think I'm going to work the opposite way that I normally do because I have 3 shimmers and a dark matte in here. And I'm going to use a dark brown later just to add a little bit more like contrast and dimension. So I am going to start with the lightest color, this beautiful light color here. This here is called Charisma, I believe, the lightest shade. And I'm going to start with a flat lid brush, and I'm going to just create, I'm going to apply all over my inner half of my lid. And I'm using the tip of the brush to create sort of a cut crease effect, pretending that I'm cutting the crease, and then filling in like halfway in my lid. This is a really pretty shadow, very beautiful to highlight, but it's also like pigmented. It's not just like a shimmery color. I do get some pigment, like a beige creamy color, and I love that. That's exactly what I needed. Okay, I think that looks really pretty. Then I'm going to go into the next shimmer, which is up here. I believe that one's called Radiant, and that's like a little bit more bronzy, and I'm going to go right next to it. So right in the center lid, and I'm going to blend it towards, ooh, it's actually darker than I expected it to be. Wow. So I'm going to keep it mostly on the outer part actually, because I thought it was lighter, but it's gorgeous, pigmented, very, very pretty. And I'm also going slightly above my lid and into my crease and sort of dragging it towards the front, where, as you can see, like the first shade is disappearing just because I'm going to apply a little bit more. Now I cleaned off my brush and I'm reapplying a little bit of the light shimmer right on top of that, and I think it looks so pretty. Kind of mixing them together. It just makes it look like they're kind of a one color and there are no harsh lines. So I'm blending the light shadow towards the brown bronzy shade. Really, really pretty. And I think I'm going to keep it simple again. I keep saying that. I am going to just go into the matte, apply a little bit on my outer corner and also underneath my lower lash line, just to smoke things out a little bit. So I'm using this very small brush from Morphe, dipping into the brown and just placing it on my outer corner, making sure I get enough pigment and doing small circular motions to keep it there, and then into my crease. These shadows actually, like, you don't need the matte. You're good with just shimmers if you like a shimmery look, but it's not like glittery. It's shimmery but not glittery, and they blend like a dream. I mentioned it earlier. I've used this Shella Beauty's formula before, and I love it. I love their formula, and I definitely recommend it. And I love these small palettes. They're very convenient. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit of the brown underneath my lower lash line. And I'm gonna finish off the rest of my makeup, apply some liner, maybe mascara. I'm not sure if I'll do lashes today. Maybe I will, and a red lip, because I want a red lip today for this look, something a little bit more dramatic, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, this is the final look using the adorable little palette. I went for a dramatic look with the red lips and the lashes, just to make it a little bit, I don't know, dramatic like I just said. But I love this palette, perfect for traveling. If you want a soft look, if you want a little bit more of a dramatic look, add more brown. I love it. But overall, I love that little palette. I love Shella Beauty's formula, and I'm so happy to have that. I'm going to give you a little recap of my box again. I got this really nice primer, which I'm going to use next time I do my makeup. This adorable lip oil. The packaging is beautiful, and I think when I take off my makeup, I might wear this later today, just because I love lip oils to hydrate my lips, and this is gorgeous and it smells amazing. The perfume smells incredible. My room here smells so lovely right now, and this is going in my purse right away. The little palette is also going to go in my purse, because sometimes I just need something tiny like this for on the go when I don't do my makeup, or I forget, or I don't know, just for touch-ups or for anything. It's so tiny, it's not going to bother, it's not going to take up any room in my purse, and the formula is amazing. So I'm going to keep that in my purse as well. And the cleansing balm I'm very happy with. I'm going to use that tonight when I remove all this makeup. And overall, this GLOSSYBOX, my first ever GLOSSYBOX, was a success. And I am very thankful that they sent it to me. So thank you again to GLOSSYBOX for sending this my way. Again, if you guys want to go ahead and try out GLOSSYBOX, you can sign up using the link in the description below. Or you can also just go on their website and use the code Norisbel to get your first box for $16. But that's going to be the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Bye.